Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for baking industry. So here let's assume that I own a bakery and to promote the same I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. Here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for baking industry. So here let's assume that I have a bakery and to promote the same I'm using Facebook lead ads. Now my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. This here is the All Applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on Access now to reach my dashboard. This here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this Create Workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook Lead Ads. So now I'm going to click on Create. As I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. In a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for baking industry. So here in my trigger window, as I'm promoting my bakery with the help of Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application, and here it is. Now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So I'm selecting this as my trigger event. And after selecting my trigger application and the trigger events, moving to my action window. So as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets, so here I'm going to use Google Sheets as my action application, and here it is. Now the action event will be to add new row. So here I've selected my action application and the action event along with the trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details should be added in Google Sheets in a new row. So to do this, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. Now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads, as I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. Here you can see that the authorization is successful. So Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect has been successfully connected. Now moving to the page and the lead gen form, here I need to select the Facebook page that I've created for my bakery and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the page for my bakery that is by the name of More Than Bakery. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search my page as More Than Bakery. Here it is. So after selecting my page, I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that I've created two lead ads form. So I want to use this new leads form, and this is how the form looks like. So this here is the form name as new leads form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. Here I will go to the page. And now here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration has set up to receive data correctly. So firstly, from this page, I'm going to select my page that is by the name of More Than Bakery. I'm searching for it. Here it is. And now I will select the leads and form that is associated with it, that is new leads form. And now I'm going to click on preview form. So here this is the form, and I filled in the details like full name, email and the phone number. So now here I'm going to click on next. And now I'm going to click on submit. It says thanks, you're all set. I'm going to close this. Your test lead has been sent. That means the lead that I have just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I've received a response. Here is the full name, email, phone number, created date and time, along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I've got the details of the test lead, now I want to add the details of this lead in Google Sheets. So here firstly, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm going to click on sign in with Google. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And the authorization is successful. Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets is successfully connected. Now moving to select spreadsheet and select sheet fields. So here this is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New. It consists only of one sheet and of 3 columns. First is of lead email, second is of lead name and the third one is of phone number. So this here is the Google Sheet where I wish to add the details of the Facebook leads. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And as it consists only of one sheet, so that is automatically selected over here. Moving to lead email, lead name and phone number. So here I'm going to map the details. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the lead email. Now I'm going to map the lead name. And now here I'm going to map the lead number. So as I've mapped all of these details, this method of mapping is important so that every time I will receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static and it wouldn't have accepted the new data. So now to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as the mapping part is done, here I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So I've received a response here and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Google Sheet. So here in my Google Sheet, you can see that in a new row, the details of the lead which I have created is successfully added. Here is the lead email, here is the lead name and here is the phone number. That means the test lead which I have created through Facebook lead ads is successfully added over here in Google Sheets in a new row. So this automation and integration is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in a new row in Google Sheets.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.